Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to cover Under the Sea from the movie The Little Mermaid. Under the Sea has 6 chords. We're going to use a G chord, the easy D7, which is here, a C, E minor, A7, and in a couple spots you have a G7. The chords are not the difficult part. The difficult part is more the rhythm. This strumming pattern I'm going to be using for the majority of the song is down, down, up, down, up. In the middle part of the song where it goes, the newt plays the flute, the cart plays the harp, I'm using down, down, up, down, down. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.